What is the purpose of selling a receiver without the holes drilled in it?
Well, there's some individuals, just like some individuals enjoy like working on their car every weekend, some individuals want to construct their own firearms. So the purpose of selling it is to allow,
go ahead.
Is to assist and provide individuals with material with which they can do that.
Well, I mean, drilling a hole or two, I would think doesn't give the same sort of reward that you get from working on your car on the weekends.
Well, I would encourage the court to read the Vasquez brief. This is not a easy thing necessarily to do, and particularly the Press Democrat article cited there where the reporter engaged to show how easy this was, and in fact show that he couldn't actually do it. He had to engage friends to help him complete this that were expert in the firearms. And even once you have a complete frame, it's not a trivial matter to put that together. There are small parts that have to be put in precise locations. And that reporter, that he couldn't put it together from the completed frame. So it's not clear that it is clearly not a trivial proposition for someone to do this.
Well, I don't know the skills of the particular reporter, but my understanding is that it's not terribly difficult for someone to do this. And it's certainly not terribly difficult to take the plastic piece out. Is that part of the gunsmithing?
Well, the plastic, the parts that are blocking the rails in the product that's been highlighted, that has to be taken out. It's recommended that you put it on a drill press vise and use a drill press with a specialized bit to take that away. And Polymerate explicitly recommends against using a Dremel. They say that could damage the product. And I know we don't have any particular product at issue here, but the point is that what Congress said is that we want to regulate the frame or receiver itself, and there's got to be some point. There's going to be a line.
I'm suggesting that if someone who goes through the process of drilling the one or two holes and taking the plastic out, he really wouldn't think that he has built that gun, would he?
You know, I don't know what that person would think, but I think he would. It's not a simple proposition. Even the individuals that the government cited that took 21 minutes to put something together, it wasn't counting the time for the person to acquire the tools, learn how to use the tools. This person was a mechanic, so they knew how to do these things. Or the time to learn how to machine the object. That person spent 2 hours watching instructional materials before starting to put that item together. And even after that 21 minutes, the person had done it incorrectly, and it needed to be repaired.
I'd like to